these two little girls hanging in here.
Here's this sweet little boy. He says, "Aw." Green boy says, "I just leave little bitches to it." Look at him.
Some of them are sucking. They're very efficient at pulling the meat off the bone with their little sharp teeth.
There. You will be good on my discipline.
Little green boy. No, I just back off. It's almost as good as nursing mama.
That's Heather. See her? That's her growling. Heather, are you a little girl? No, see, sometimes you just have to pick the baby up and say you're not the boss.
This is really good training.
No, you're not going to bite me. Yeah, you're not going to bite me.
Sorry. At this age is when you can handle on your babies. You need to know they're not going to bite you. And not to be food aggressive. Like their mother is one of the most food aggressive dogs I own, but not to me.
I can take meat out of her mouth. But now, when I put her dog food down or her meat down, she starts growling, right? Their mother, Contessa, because she's just very food aggressive to the other dogs. See that baby? This is this baby I'm petting getting mad at me. She's growling at me. No, you don't need to growl at me.
He's just a little green boy. He's just watching them.
This is Heather. Heather. Breeze. I'm picking her up. This is Breeze. Breeze, you don't need to be so vicious here.
And sometimes that's just all it takes is picking them up and